Hello, today we will guide you through how to add social links in Google Site. In a few minutes, you'll learn how to place clean, clickable social media links on your site so visitors can easily follow and connect with you. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll land on the site's homepage. Otherwise, sign in as you normally do. This is where all your sites appear. It's helpful to have the social profile links you want to add ready to paste so the process moves smoothly. Next, open the site you want to edit. If you're following along with a sample project, click it to load the editor. The page opens in the Google Sites Builder with a live preview of your page in the center and editing tools along the right side. Take a quick look at your layout to decide where your social links should live, commonly in the header, footer, or a contact section. Look to the right side panel and select Insert. This is the hub for adding content, text boxes, images, layouts, and more. For linking out to social profiles in a visual, reliable way, we'll use the Embed option, which lets sites generate a clickable card from a URL when supported by the platform. Choose Embed. In the dialog that appears, you can work by URL or with an embed code. For most social links, by URL is the simplest. Paste the full link to your social profile, such as your page on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, or Facebook. Use the complete address starting with HTTPS and ensure your profile is public if you want a rich preview. If you see a preview, check that the name and thumbnail look right. If a preview doesn't load, the link will still work as a clean button or card. When the preview looks correct, select Insert. Google Sites will place the embedded link on your page as a content block. You can click and drag to position it where it fits best and use the blue handles to adjust the size so it aligns with your layout. Use the alignment options to center items or space them evenly. If you plan to add several social links, repeat the same embed action for each profile and arrange them in a row or grid so they're easy to spot on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your social links are now part of your site, giving visitors a direct path to your profiles. Google Sites saves your changes automatically as you work, so you can continue refining the page at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and great job enhancing your site with clear, professional social connections.